My name is Machal Vamshi. I am from ECD. My topic is transforming vectors using matrices. Introduction to linear transformations. A linear transformation is a function T that maps a vector space V into the another vector space W. T such that V mapping to W, V comma W vector space. V is the domain of vector T, W the codomain of T. Two axioms of linear transformation: T of U plus V equals to Tu plus Tv. T of Cu equals to C of T of U. Here is the domain and range is this image of V under T. If V then V and W then W such that T of V equals to W, then W is called the image of V under T. The range of T such that the set of all images vectors in V, range of T is equals to T of V, V belongs to capital V. The pre-image of W, the set of all V in V such that T of V equals to W. A linear transformation is said in the operating preserving. T of U plus V is equals to T of U plus T of V. T of Cu is equals to T of Tu. Addition in V, addition in W. Scalar multiplication in V, scalar multiplication in W. A linear transformation T such that V to V from a vector space into itself is called linear operator. Scalar multiplication. Cu equals to C of U1 U2 equals to Cu1 comma Cu2. T of Cu is equals to T Cu1 comma Cu2, Cu1 minus Cu2 comma Cu1 plus 2 Cu2 is equals to C of Tu. Therefore, T is the linear transformation. Zero transformation T of T such that V is equals to W. T of V is equals to 0 for all V small v belongs to capital V. Identity matrices. Identity transformation T of T such that V to V. T of V is equals to V for all V belongs to V. Properties of the linear transformations. T of 0 is equals to 0. T of minus V is equals to minus T of V. T of U minus V equals to Tu minus T of V. If V is equals to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 plus L plus Cn Vn, then T of V is equals to T of C1 V1 plus C2 V2 plus L plus Cn Vn, so on Cn Vn. C1 T of V1 plus C2 T of V2 plus L plus Cn T of Vn, and so on. Example: linear transformations and basis. T such that R cube to R3, R cube be a linear transformation such that T of 1, 0, 0 is equals to 2, minus 1, 4. And these are the two examples. And this is the answer for the given question. 2 of 2, 3, minus 2 is equals to 2 of 1, 0, 0 plus 3 of 0, 1, 0 plus minus 3 of 0, 0, which is right in the form of T of V of T. So this is the answer we get, which is in linear transformation basis formula. The linear transformation given by a matrix A is equals to A, B and matrix M by N matrix. The function T is defined as T of V equals to AB. Is a linear transformation from Rn into Rm. Rn vector, Rm vector. This we can write as A11, A22, L of A and so on A n. A21, A22, L of and so on A to N. And we can write and like this in the matrices. A11 V1 plus A22 A12 V2 plus L plus A1n Vn. The linear transformation from M by N into M n by N. T of A is equals to A transpose. T such that M by N is equal gives to n by M. So show that T is linear transformation. A comma B belongs to M by N. T of A plus B equals to A plus B whole transpose equals to A transpose plus B transpose equals to T of A plus T of B. T of C of A plus C A whole transpose equals to C A transpose C of T A. Therefore, T is the linear transformation from M by N into N by N. Matrices for linear transformations. Two representation of the linear transformation t such that r cube to r cube such that t of x1 x2 x3 2x1 plus x2 minus x3 comma minus x1 plus x comma standard matrix for a linear transformation t such that Rn to Rm be a linear transformation and e power r and so on en power r are the basics of r power n such that t of a1 l a11 a22 m and amn which is in row operations a12 a22 m and am2 l t of en equals to a1n a2n mn and a of mn. Then the m by n matrix I continues correspond to t of ai. A is equals to t of e1 by t of e2 l t of en, and we can write in the form of in the like this is that the t of v equals to av for every v in r power n is called the standard matrix for t. Inverse linear transformation t1 is such that r power n to r power n and t2 such that r power n to r power n are linear transformation such that for every v in r power n t2 of t1 of v equals to v and t1 t2 of v equals to v. Then t2 is called the inverse of t1 and t1 is said is invertible. Note, if the transformation t is invertible, then the inverse is unique and denoted by t inverse. Existence of an inverse transformation. Let t such that r power n to r power n let be a linear transformation with standard matrix A. Then the following conditions are equivalent: t is invertible, t is isomorphism, and A is invertible. Note, if t is invertible with standard matrix A, then the standard matrix of t inverse is A inverse. Okay, thank you.